Hey friends, welcome back to Blockchainify. My name is Pedro and today I will have a look at Fantom. Looking at a higher time frame, I will do some important lines right here on the monthly chart. This one must be red because it's resistance, and this one as well. We're pretty far away from this one, so I don't really think it's necessary to have it there, and I'll use some weekly support areas because I want to look at a shorter time frame. And here we have this level right here, which should be green, and this one as closest ones. And of course, if these two levels will break, then we can talk about this area right here at close to 20 cents. But I think we are very far away from that, at least for the time being. So I will try to focus on this nearest area. Now, what do I see here? I see this beautiful Elliott wave, and this right here could be an ABC correction wave, and looks like we are in the C wave. Some possible targets for the end of this wave could be here at $1.4 or here at 1.18, or of course it can go lower or it can be above this. But I will try to see if I find any other confluences that can help me pinpoint it more accurately. By the looks of it, this looks too short, so this should go longer before we go back to another motive wave composed of other 5 waves. So usually this wave right here could also be composed by another subsequent ABC, a smaller one, or a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. But let's say this looks like another ABC. Maybe this should be right here. Going back to this one, I will do this Fibonacci extension, and we can see that we are getting very close to this level right here, which could actually be a very valid bounce point. And this is exactly at 1.7 USD, which we are actually getting pretty close to. So this could also be the final destination of this. But usually the C wave is actually close to or longer than the A wave. So that's why I'm a bit skeptical about this level right here. Or what could happen right here, it could get rejected and go longer until this becomes longer. But this level right here also has this wicks from before as resistance, and here are other wicks. But if that will not hold, then the next valid target should actually be here. This is a very important bounce point for this kind of waves, and that is at $1.11. We still have a long way to go for that, but that could be an option. Now, let me go and have a deeper look here. The 0618 still here at this level, so I'm expecting at least a reaction from this area, even if it won't be the final destination of this wave C and this one as well. I'm expecting at least for a significant bounce from here, or to get rejected for some time, and maybe after that go, and maybe will be broken afterwards. But like I said, I would expect for a reaction from there. And the next level, we can see it right here for this wave right here, could be around this area. Let me do this thinner. Now, if I go out of the logarithmic scale and go to the linear one, we can see that actually we went through this level right here, and actually this is the best way to look at things, not in the logarithmic scale but in linear scale. So I will need to move this a bit, maybe remove that from there. Yeah, actually right now looks better. At the same time, while this is an ABC corrective wave, we could also be in a motive wave or an impulsive wave like this 1, 2, depending when the 2 is going to be. As long as it's above 0, above this line, as long as we don't make a lower low here, then we could go in a third wave, and after that to complete the cycle with all the 5 waves, right? This is another valid structure right here. But like I said, it's important that the price here will not go beneath this, because then this will be invalidated, and then we will need to count from here maybe, or somehow differently. So as long as we are above 1.16, this structure is still valid. Assuming this structure will be held, and we will bounce from this point right here. Then we can see these resistance levels are backed also by strong Fibonacci levels, and a target for the third wave actually could be somewhere around here, and the fifth wave here or here. But anyway, it is way too early for this. So right now I am in buying mode. I am looking where I can have some limit orders to buy some more Fantom, and I will have some limit orders spread around these areas right here between 1.6 and $1. Of course, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you how I see the things and what I plan to do myself. Thanks for watching, liking, commenting and subscribing, and see you next time.